Your cat said, "I love you" to you today. You were in the same room. You probably looked right at them, and you completely missed it. Not because you weren't paying attention, but because you were listening. And this kind of love, the deepest kind your cat is capable of, was never meant to be heard. This is the language your cat speaks when the love runs too deep for words. Let's start with the one that is happening to you right now. Maybe not this exact second, but almost certainly today. And if you've seen it, you probably smiled without knowing exactly why. Your cat looks at you from across the room. They hold your gaze for a moment, and then, slowly, their eyes close. Not all the way, not sleep, just this long, deliberate lowering of the lids. Like the world slowed down for 1 second, just for you. And then, they open again, softer than before, still looking at you. That is a kiss. Scientifically, behaviorally, in every language cats have ever spoken to beings they love, the slow blink is the closest thing to "I love you" that a cat can physically perform. It is not a yawn. It is not boredom. It is a cat choosing to make themselves vulnerable, to lower their guard, to close their primary defense system in front of the only being in their world they trust completely. Researchers at the University of Sussex confirmed in 2020 that the slow blink is a positive emotional signal. And here's what makes it extraordinary. When humans slow blink at cats they have never met before, those cats approach the stranger more willingly. The language works in both directions. It crosses species. It crossed millions of years of evolution. And your cat has been using it on you every single day. The next time they do it, don't look away. Don't smile and reach for your phone. Slow blink back. Hold it. And understand that something genuinely rare just happened between two creatures who were never designed to speak the same language. But the slow blink is just the beginning. Because some of the most profound things your cat says to you, they say with their entire body. And what you're about to discover in Chapter 2 will change how you see every position your cat has ever chosen near you. Your cat just chose where to sit. Right now, somewhere in your home, your cat is in a position they selected from every single option available to them. And if that position is near you, that choice is a declaration. Think about the exposed belly. Your cat rolls onto their back, showing you the softest, most unprotected part of their body. The place with no natural armor. The place that, for a wild cat, could mean death if the wrong creature found it. And your cat offers it to you, casually, completely, without hesitation. That is not a request for belly rubs. That is total trust made physical. Your cat's body is saying, "I have no defenses up with you. None. You are the reason I feel safe enough to exist this way." If you've ever had your cat roll onto their back near you, hit like, because now you know exactly what they were really saying. And then there is the tail. The raised tail with the curved tip, the question mark tail. You've seen it. Your cat walks toward you and their tail rises, curled at the very top like a hook. In the wild, this is how kittens approach their mothers. It is the tail of a creature who feels completely, unconditionally safe with the being they're walking toward. Research on feline greeting behaviors found that the tail-up posture is reserved exclusively for positive social relationships. Cats do not raise their tails this way for strangers, for threats, or for beings they merely tolerate. Only for family. Only for the chosen ones. If your cat's tail goes up when they see you, you are their family. In the only language their body knows how to speak. And they have been telling you, every single day. Here is the one nobody talks about. The one happening so quietly, so consistently, that most owners never register it as communication at all. Your cat is somewhere in your home right now. And wherever they are, they know exactly where you are. Not approximately, exactly. They don't need to be looking at you. They don't need to be following you. They simply, always, know. Cats with secure bonds to their owners maintain what behavioral researchers call proximity awareness, a continuous, unconscious tracking of their chosen person's location within the shared space. You are their anchor point. And even when they're sleeping in the next room, you are the coordinate everything else organizes around. Here is what makes this extraordinary. Studies show that bonded cats show subtle physiological changes when their owner leaves a room, even without sound or movement. Their resting heart rate shifts, their breathing changes. They register your absence at a cellular level. You're not just someone your cat lives with, you are a presence that physically changes the chemistry of their body. When you leave a room, something measurable happens inside them. When you come back, it reverses. Your cat does not need to say a single word. Their nervous system is already speaking. And what it says, constantly, in the only language biology allows, is that you matter. You matter so completely that your presence and absence is written in their heartbeat. That is a love that has no sound, because it lives somewhere deeper than sound has ever reached. Now let's talk about the rituals, the small, specific, entirely consistent behaviors your cat performs, that they do for no one else, in no other context, only with you. The way they always sleep on your side of the bed when you're not in it. Not the middle, not the sunny spot, your side, where your scent is most concentrated, where you exist even when you're gone. The way they appear, silently, within minutes of you sitting down, like they've been monitoring your schedule, and this particular stillness is the appointment they've been waiting for all day. And the forehead press, not a rub, not a grooming gesture, a press, completely still, deliberate. Forehead against your hand or your cheek, a full stop at the end of a sentence that took them all day to compose. In the wild, cats only press foreheads with beings whose scent they want permanently woven into their own. They are marking you as theirs. Not aggressively, devotedly. Research on cat bonding shows that cats develop entirely unique interaction rituals with each specific human they bond with. Behaviors that appear exclusively in that one relationship and nowhere else. Your cat invented something just for you. A ritual that has never existed between any two beings before in history and will never exist again. It has no name, it makes no sound, and it is yours, completely and only yours. This is the one that will stay with you. Most cat owners believe their cats are independent at night, that once the house goes quiet and the lights go down, their cat simply becomes an autonomous creature, doing cat things, disconnected from them. This is not what the science shows. Bonded cats, cats with deep attachment to a specific human, perform what animal behaviorists call proximity maintenance during owner sleep. They check on you, not once, multiple times through the night. They approach, they listen, they watch your breathing, they confirm you are safe and present, and then they return to their spot. You never see this, you're asleep, but it happens, night after night, in the dark, without a single witness. Your cat stands at the edge of your sleeping form in the middle of the night, 2 a.m., 3 a.m., 4 a.m., and they watch you breathe. Not because they're hungry, not because they need anything, because you are their colony. You are the center of their entire world. And a world that is right is a world where you are safe and breathing and here. Research on feline attachment and nocturnal behavior consistently finds that cats with the deepest bonds show the most persistent nocturnal proximity checking, returning to the owner's sleeping space multiple times per night in patterns that mirror protective colony behaviors observed in wild feline groups. They have been keeping your vigil every single night, without asking for credit, without waking you, without ever needing you to know. They love you in the most ancient, most silent way that love can exist. Not because you hear it, but because they cannot stop performing it. So the next time your cat looks at you from across a quiet room, and their eyes close slowly, and the world goes still for just 1 second, know that they are not just being a cat. They are doing the only thing they can do with what they feel. They are giving you everything, in the only language where love doesn't need a sound to be heard. Your cat has said, "I love you," more times than you will ever count. Every slow blink, every raised tail, every 3 a.m. vigil you slept through, every time they chose the chair closest to yours. They have been saying it constantly. Now you know how to hear it.